I recently partnered with a brand for this wireless gaming mechanical keyboard. And as someone who's used a wide range of mechanical keyboards for both gaming and productivity, I was excited to test the XVX M75 wireless gaming mechanical keyboard. After spending considerable time with this keyboard, I found that it delivers an impressive balance of performance, build quality, connectivity options, and customization features at a highly competitive price point. The XPX M75 features a compact 75% layout which retains essential function keys and navigation controls while saving valuable desk space. Compared to traditional full-size keyboards, the 75% design reduces the keyboard footprint by approximately 25%, making it ideal for gamers who need extra room for mouse movement. The addition of multifunction control knob is particularly useful for quick volume adjustments and media control without interrupting gameplay. One of the standout features is its triple mode connectivity. The keyboard supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections. During my testing, Bluetooth 5.0 provided stable connectivity across multiple devices, while the 2.4 GHz wireless mode delivered a low latency performance suitable for competitive gaming. The USB-C connection offers reliable wired performance and charging convenience. The ability to seamlessly switch between Windows and Mac systems makes this keyboard highly versatile for users working across multiple platforms. The hat swappable PCB is another major advantage. Unlike many keyboards in this price range, the XVX M75 allows users to replace switches without soldering. The included creamy switches provide a smooth keystroke experience with consistent actuation and satisfying sound profile. For enthusiasts who enjoy customization, the hat swappable design offers flexibility to experiment with different switch types and tailor the typing experience to personal preferences. For buyers evaluating this keyboard, the key decision-making factors include wireless flexibility, compact 75% layout efficiency, hat swappable customization, premium typing feel, and overall value for money. In all of those areas, the XVX M75 performs exceptionally well.